Little video walk around on the 93 Bronco. This is a 93 Eddie Bauer. Eddie Bauer doesn't mean much right now because it's in such bad shape. But I bought it brand new in 93, the one and only owner. And have a clear title. Do a quick walk around, then talk about its condition. Got the little canopy set up so that I can work on it in the sunlight. The front bumper was banged up on it pretty badly. Both of my daughters grew up kind of driving this thing. It was one of their first vehicles. First daughter went through like 4 front bumpers. Second daughter went through 3. I picked that bumper up at the LKQ Pick Your Own Parts junkyard, salvage yard. And it's really straight, and it's an original Ford OEM bumper. So it's about twice as heavy as all the aftermarket bumpers that you might buy now. I also picked up other parts. These headlight surrounds, I picked those 2 up. One for that side and one for this side over here. I've mounted all of this. I mounted it. I got the adjusters for the headlights freed up also. The hood, I believe it's straight, no dents, but it had a real bad factory paint job on it. Ford used a water-based base coat in those days, and it obviously did not hold up. Any Fords you see from the 93 time frame that used the water-based paint for the color coat, the base coat, have peeled like that. Both side view mirrors are there, but the power adjustments on them is not working, and they're really brittle. They need to be replaced. Factory rims all the way around. That's the original factory aluminum alloy rims. The tires have some tread, but they're very, very dry rotted. They all hold air just fine and will work as a roller to move the thing around, but they are absolutely not tires you want to drive on. I'll just shut up for a second and walk around the thing. I'm working on the tailgate window motor right now. I've got the mechanism out of there and put a new motor in that, or put a new motor internals into that. Carpet is all nasty in it. One of the windows, the passenger side window, had not rolled all the way up. I wasn't paying attention to it. I neglected it for 10 years and rats got in here. Back seat is folded up right now. I'll fold that up in a second. Swing out a spare tire carrier is fine. Same with the mirror on this side. It's there, it's somewhat functional, but it's really brittle. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me when I swing it back open. I had folded it up to move it around. When I swing it back open, if it just breaks off. The fiberglass top, that was a bit of a shocker. It's in really bad shape, with lichen and algae on it.